is Catherine from China. I worked in Changzou Lefeng AC Motors company. So our main products is about AC and DC electric motors. This is my first time come to Egypt, and I feel like local people is very nice here, and the market is also very attractive. Many people still need electric AC conditioning, and they will use our products. Egypt is very huge market, and we maybe can find our coworkers here. That's why I came here. Exhibition here attracts a lot of companies here, especially Chinese companies. Very good way to let local people know about us.